Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys how you guys can make some beautiful picture frame decor with just things from Dollar Tree. For this first picture frame decor, I used this 8x10 gold picture frame. And then I will be using the With Love wall sticker. As I'm making this DIY, I like to put the wall stickers on the glass because if you put it on the paper and you put the wall stickers in a weird place or they don't align right, it's kind of hard to rip it off the paper. So I like to put it on the glass, so if I don't put it right the first time, I have some leeway to move it around a little. I use this pink glitter sheet for the backing of this picture frame, and you can get these 3 to a pack at Dollar Tree. They come with 3 different colors. For this next picture frame, I used a smaller gold frame that had an inner border to it. And then I'll be using the Paris theme stickers, but I will only be using the roses from this wall sticker. For the last 2 picture frame DIYs, I took a regular picture frame from Dollar Tree and spray painted it silver. And then for the backing, I'll be using this light blue wrapping paper. And the first one is going to have this wall sticker. And that is it for this simple but beautiful Dollar Tree DIY picture frame decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any ideas on how to make some picture frame decor art, please let me know down below because I love to hear you guys' ideas. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.